Hello everyone who is watching us right now on Apex TV, the online TV station in Western Uganda. Of course, EDB, the entertainment Gomazina, of course, not free and TC original. That's Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram for information. Yona, you're going to target quarter hours label. Events to create but much information you want to create na interview zone to retire in Apex TV, the online TV station in Western Uganda. Right now from DJ Waman, actually, one of the best DJs out in Western Uganda. But with Iceman na kuona tugambira video mitambira bitya music netambuleta na muchimwe chone of course ahenyine Apex TV, the online TV station in Western Uganda. Na kwashira munywana wanje
nenya nakiraga
onyanko kungana urumaya ninga muconcentrate nje munonga Uganda
no nyanko ni ndumanya
yongera voice turebe
no nyanko ni ndumanya gayi.
Okay, baramusi turebe
muri muta abantu bitu ba fans banje ba customer bitu bitutere imiziki.
Okay,
mwena bakusima ibintu byone bitukora imeka ba fan bakunda ka Iceman ba DJ abandi hata shaje ntugamba Iceman tugumize
Iceman tumanye ukati before Iceman tumanye no wo amazina ge kanda hano ko rankahi
amazina ganje agatari ga stage ga Iceman.
Yes,
niyo ndio musisha mu Uganda.
Okay,
nganyeta Ice mwanje Freddy Musobera.
Okay,
karuga Kampala niza kutere ndongo.
Okay,
mbara
no koranga isofa
at sofa now ni kora Soho Terrace.
Okay,
from Piers Cavalry Road.
Music netambuleta sofa
music yatine buzibu tugitera nabandi bajakiraje
Most from Western Uganda niho twenda ntugambe music yitu y'urunyankore right now netambuleta
music y'urunyankore ateshaje area mutindo.
Okay,
kandi area mutindo kandi nkiza ndakubimanya bindi ko kandi yo nimbega final kandi manya urunyankore ko kambya bya music kanta kujimanya je ekukira yo ko kati ninjimanya nitera n'abantu bajakira nanje ninjakira.
Of recently they have Harwentaro is jomu Western Uganda. Most of them ba DJs hamwe na abeshongos. Nyina ngo tugambira nshongije. Most kandi kwata ahari show yarya bintu bya Reggie. Bikatambura bita iniki cyo kubanya uso funky yunko muntu.
Tinda kubihe ebintu tukuza kubigamba obingi abo kubanye we ndi fan w'abantu bona. Ndi fan wa Reggie in his music. I love him. Kandi fan wa DJ ben bakora shejo. So hata bintu ebyo to concentrating Iceman at.
Okay, his name is Iceman DJ, of course. Henyina Apex TV, the online TV station in Western Uganda. Hamona EDB, the entertainer. Tugambire so far. Nibihe shongoro byo kumaya so far byo trending nkabaje yangu okore countdown. Yebye shongoro nkabitano ninga mukaga. Ninkabye shongoro kibyo kugira ati omweshongo zogu na nogu akwasiriyo so far mu 2019.
2019 izire mwabe shongozi kandi abantu batiremo beshongo by'amana. Binji konkaniza ko bice harugo mozo witogo akweshongoro mbando go mozogo bakweta T-Paul mwana go mwana ine byeshongo bibonire. Akwesha eje aresira ka tamtam we mwana akashaka kweshongora mukwano arukundo kandi kirebe ka rukundo najimanya munonga sake shonke yako ka tamtam ekankoraje ondijo omusheshe Reggie kandi arondi jogo mwishogo bano mukazo bano mwishi abana antebye shongo bibonire byembaga bamwita Emily Chikazi eshaje ina mpaka akubinatero bweshongo kasukari ariona kakayatire na nako Jose nako kabonire munonga. So music is
ondijo
harogo mwozo go mwana mtogo akwana akushana na fresh kid
top shutter
by the way western fresh kid ukamana terabambe weshongo bonire kandi karagumizemu nanaza kuchita breakthrough eri kuija kara crossing atebye shongo be
no twari with the chirao countdown no janti ekidyonkire ekikoreta music iteta kutambura katobanza kitakureta ekikoreta music iteta crossing kuza kuriya like in Kampala ni yes
twinamo ubutakweyendeza. We should love ourselves and our own. And we promote our culture.
I think achiva kumwe ba DJ like you DJs waninga presenters right now ushanga ni wabarakora ki fidelity shinguru cyawe cy'umwana wanyu wa Western Uganda tukugire nyimo
konka nekizibo ba DJ tunge bizibo. No the shongo wenda to introducing mba fans. Ochitero tiore ha re fans hype ya relaxing ya dropping amkaje kandi tubura amani ubundi ushanga twahindura icyo twataye ikindi cyo mu Nigeria cyo mu Kenya most cyo mu Nigeria Nigeria batwire munonga Uganda music benda kutahansi konga still we shall have to put more effort and promote Western music
ekine kikugarura music ito bikoreye ngo tekutambara niki ekisheme kora right now
there is a problem of production commercial muzaza kuba ine lyrics nonji konko shanga taine production ya tari yamani shanga ikintu bundi batandike crossing bagende baronde studio zamani ba mastering eto cyo kimeni bicufasa kore baba producer nkabashatu kandi chiheruka cyarwayo cyaba kibonire so if we can work on production very well things can work out like these other guys. You see Reggie crossed, he went to Kampala, he made the songs became bombers. So I think we should copy, though it might be expensive, but they should put in more effort to see that things can work out.
Right now, your last words, your DJs, artists, and everyone who is watching us right now. Nibugamba chichibwa kwa kubagambira ningi cyo kubasha abana bukimwe cyone.
Tukundane. Obeshongozi or artists, they should not just produce songs and just drop them there. They should also start looking for DJs and see how DJs try to mix their songs. They should also be friendly to DJs. If an artist is with a group and the group is not connecting well with the DJ, I don't think there might be teamwork. So if they connect very well, things can work out very well.
Thank you so much, my friend. I mean, of course, we have his name is Iceman, the best DJ we have around here in Western Uganda. Actually, never DJ Vinci, kokano umwe ahabana bakukoraje mostly on music. Orukutaho umuchoma buri umwe nakajati yes. Kamera na nyina Conrad, of course, EDB the Entertainer is my name. Katuje musikache yakwa ni kuri telebindi utakaje kuwakwata.